and good morning to my YouTube family. Brother, how are you, brother?
I'm fine, but okay, I'm sweating right now. Okay, because we are under the shining sun. Okay,
Yeah, today is very sunny day. Thanks God, it's sunny day. You know, you need to ask for it, and you get it. It's not rainy. So today, brother, what we are doing?
Viva Elite front lambda assembly.
Yes, we're gonna change the front bulb of this car. Okay, so guys, thank you support my channel. Okay, you're always great, you always be there for me. Okay, be there to my brother. See, he get muscle now.
First of all, I want to do some magic. Okay, I want to do some magic. This is my magic. This is my magic. Okay, you want to see again? This is my magic. Okay, this is not. I know you laughing right now. Okay, I know you laughing, or you embrace what I'm doing. Okay, so I want to unboxing this. Okay, Carson auto accessory H4. Okay, H4 12 volt 60 watt. Okay, halogen lamp. Okay, halogen lamp. Okay, as you can see now, this pack is still like this. Okay, it's still like this. So actually it's no way to open this without a scissor, but I have one way to show to you. Okay, if you urgently don't have a scissor to open this. Okay, see, as you can see now, you just pull the skin. Okay, pull this plastic skin. Okay, I know you still cannot believe. Okay, this is one of the way to open this. Okay, this type of packaging seal. This type of packaging seal as easy like I do. Okay, this halogen headlamp also have a system that can open your car. Okay, if the key in the back of this plastic if you don't have key, this car will never open. Let's go. Okay, as you can see now, this is Perodua Viva. Okay, so there's one way. Okay, there's only one way to open the front hood. Okay, first you must give a signal. Okay, second you must give a viper. Third, you must give a double signal. And fourth, you must pull this. Okay, you must pull this. Okay, that's a 4 step on how to open the front hood. Now you must use your middle finger and your point finger to open this hood. Using left hand, you cannot use right hand. Okay, like this only. Okay. You need to trust me. Okay, I'm not doing jokes of all time. Okay, sometimes I'm serious. Okay, but only 20%. Okay, wow, it's shiny. Okay, the chrome is shiny. Okay, wow. So our task today is we want to change rear headlamp bulb at the right side. Okay, from me left side, but from car it's right side. Okay, you don't You don't panic. Okay. So you must hold this bulb using your right hand, and then you use your left hand go and grab the socket. Okay, the socket up. The socket. Okay, right here. As you can see, the car socket. So you need to pull the socket before you make a change. Okay, as you can see now, this is a socket for a H4 bulb. Okay, test first. Yes, it's perfect clip. So you buy the right one, the right bulb one. Okay. Okay, so you need to unplug this big socket like this. Unplug the big socket. Okay, like this. Put this socket, big socket, on your filter. Yes, on your filter. Okay, as you can see now, there's a clip. There's a clip there. You must, okay, pull it. So brother, did you notice something? There's a screw in here that okay, that disappear. Okay, and then okay, this finger, you use your middle finger like this. Okay, this is and then you push it until the clip bloop. As you can see now, I can bring the bulb out now. Okay, up. Okay, now I've already take out the old one. Okay, the old headlamp one. Okay, as you can see now, it's broke. Okay, the spring broke. Okay, so the bulb cannot light up. Okay, now I already installed but not clipped yet. Okay, so I'm clipping like this. Okay, my brother said that I broke this headlamp. Okay, hey, I cannot lah with my brother. He's always
okay. Already broke it.
He's
when my mother see it, he will love it.
He
know the good news.
He is always said bad things. Okay, the headlamp is not broke, but he say it's broke. I don't know lah why. Why my brother?
You already clip ah?
Yes, you already clip. You touch by yourself. You don't trust me. You touch with your hand. I hold this. Okay. Now what you want to say to me? Okay, then put back this big socket like this. And then take this back. Okay, clip it nicely so it doesn't get out. Now the final step is put back the socket into the socket. Okay, put back the socket into the socket like this. Okay brother, let's start the engine and test.
You open the lamp. You open. Just open. It's okay. Let's see if my brother broke it or not. Another one. Yes. It's working. Okay. So my brother,
See how I do work. Okay, this is worse, you know. This is worse. Okay,
this is how amateur do.
This is worse. Okay, if you have some luka on it, it worse when you change and then you succeed that task. Okay,
And then you broke
I
Half
don't
broke
broke
it.
anything.
You half broke it,
I
right?
don't broke anything.
You broke something, right?
I don't broke anything.
And then why you laughing?
Because you make a joke.
What kind of joke?
The unreal joke. I don't break anything. Okay. If I break anything, the headlamp cannot be plug. So next step, we want to make this bumper stick tightly back. Okay. I'm using a plier now. Okay. Hold the plier like this, and then use your left hand like this, and then make a turn. A turn to inside. To this way lah, to this way. To this way like this.
Brother, you want to broke anything?
No.
You want to broke something again?
I don't want to broke anything. Before this video, before I do this, my brother do first.
Do you have any proof, brother?
Because you not recording.
Yes, finally my brother fix. He fixed and broke something at the same time.
So this is step 1. To make sure that your front body kit come back tight. And then this is second step.
This is second step, you see how to fix it.
To make sure this cat try to
Fix together.
Try to fix together ni. Now you take this and then you do. Okay.
Wow. So genius.
This cat is so genius.
Thank you for helping us. Get back to work.
This is our second step to make sure that it's fit perfectly. You must have in your life, you must have second plan. First plan sometimes not working. This is second plan. So as you can see now, there's no clip here. All lost. Pass away. And then we need to give a birth back. Give a birth back. First in this rough side, you must put like this. Yeah, brother, it's okay, brother. It's okay. Yes. Finally we did it. Yes. We did it. I know when I say we did it, you not understand. Finally, a gift from God come to us, and then we finally done all the tasks. Now we finally we fit the car nicely. We fit the car nicely. When we use hand. And then we have done some touch up. We stick some cable tie here. We not a racer, but we try to do the best. To make sure the car, the front body kit stick well. Because we want to cut cost. Then the weather is now become more darker. I think this is not the weather, brother. This is about the world getting darker because it's coming night. Record here. And then in this side also we do some cable tie here. And then the body kit fit nicely. And then we can use this car for a travel. We want to travel around Malaysia with this car. So make sure stay tuned to our channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. and then don't forget to share to your friends who have Perodua Viva and have some problem like us. Okay, please don't forget to watch our next videos or our previous videos. Okay, support us, and then you will get some information for you.
Yes, guys, finally we did it. We fixed this car currently for right now. Then thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. It's going darker and night here. Thank you. See you again next time. Bye bye.
When it's gone, it's gone.